morning. Today we're gonna see how to create a title block. So let's begin. In order to create a title block, first you have to go to drawing libraries and you can see the type. Now we are going to create title block. So we are selecting that type and so you can even copy something and select that rename as whatever you want. I'm gonna give yes new one. So you can give whatever name you want. You can give your company name like that. So after creating it, give enter. Now we can see the edit option here. You have to click edit. So it is already created text box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to recreate it. So for to recreate it, I'm going to delete everything. Yes. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to set the paper. So then only we have to create the title block. So go to properties, paper, whatever paper you are comfortable with, you have to select that paper, click OK. Then only your title block will come in a good alignment. If you are creating the title block in A3, whereas you need A4 means after creating that, if you select that in that particular page, the title blocks will not come properly. So let's begin. I just going to give a border. It is more of kind of AutoCAD drawing only. So we have to create. We have used the line commands and the text commands in order to give out details. So I have just drawn a reference line to create a border. I am gonna give 1/4 as a border. So I'm gonna delete this reference line. So it appears like a border. Then I'm going to give what the details whatever I want. So I'm gonna give this in the bottom of the page. You can give wherever you want. If you're creating a bigger paper, so bigger paper size you can give in the right hand side corner, so the left hand side corner. Wherever you want you can give this. Now I'm gonna give it. And this is very good. The simple idea of this. I'm gonna make it just so here we are. Job name. You can see the job name, and there's a formula for this. I will tell this why I'm selecting this formula at the end. So we have given the job name here, and I'm going to copy this and paste it here. We are going to give the customer address. This is also a formula. So now I'm going to give the date here. Date. And I'm going to give. So now I'm going to tell where these formulas come from. So we can do that for one. So what details can we give here? We can give the customer details like customer name. So not to give the customer name. So you see the job here, you see the customer here, and you give, you select this, then click OK. So now here I'm more of going to this two compartments, and I'm gonna give it as approved by, and I'm gonna make this just this here, and I'm copying this and then select this, and like sheet name number, I mean the sheet name which is displaying, it will display here. So I have just created a simple title now. So we are gonna see how these formulas work. I mean, I'm gonna give escape. Yes. So if I select the template, you can see details on the some random names like that. So I click OK. So if you go to the line, you can see that has appeared here. So the formula is fully surrounded here. Selecting the customer details, customer address which you give here, it automatically appear on the title block. So only those formulas are used. So again, and I said we should do a proper paper. So if I'll show you why it is. Now it is A3 only. Now I'm going to change it as a smaller paper. See, it automatically collapses. So whatever paper you are going to give, that paper only you have to select. Okay. Thank you.